Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Headball 2 game on your device, and when you open it up for the first time, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. Once you complete the basic tutorials, you will gain access to the main menu, from which if you wish to log into your existing account, tap on the drop-down menu at the right side within the top corner, and then click on the gear icon. This will now take you into the settings page, from which you can tap on My Account, and you will see the connect button with the Facebook logo. Just tap on this button and then proceed forward with logging in to your Facebook account. From your Facebook page, you will simply need to tap on the continue as button, and once you have gained access into your Facebook, you will be logged into your existing account, and all of your previous progress will be reverted back into your current game right away. And now you can go back to enjoying your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.